If you're trying to get your WordPress site to load faster, one thing that you can do is to concatenate and minify all of your scripts and style sheets. You may have seen this in GT metrics or Google Page Speed Insights. It'll tell you to make less requests and to minify your CSS and your JavaScript. So there's a few plugins for WordPress that can do this. One of them is Auto-Optimize, and I have another video on how to use that one. And another one is Minqueue. So we'll just get Minqueue going. Minify and concatenate and queue styles and scripts, that's what we want. Install that. Now if I come down into settings, that's where the settings are. And there's not much to see at the moment. There's script minification, you have to turn that on. And this is where you add all the scripts to the sort of minification queue. And then you have style one as well, which you can turn on. So you might ask yourself, now how do I actually do this? I mean, if you look at the developer tools, you can see all the JavaScript assets that are being loaded, quite a lot of them, because this is a WooCommerce store and it's going to slow the site down. So we need to find out which scripts we want to add to the minification queue. So the easiest way to do that is enable helper. So just click on that, save settings, and then reload the page. For some reason it says only visible for admin site admin users, but that's not actually true. It doesn't show up at all. Best thing to do is open developer tools by going to, if you're in Chrome, view, developer tools. Mine's already open. If I go all the way to the bottom, just lift it up so you can see. There's a div down here with the ID Minqueue helper, and the style is set to display none. So if we just take that off, you can see it has appeared. So you can see all the enqueued scripts here, all the names, all the enqueued styles. And there's a key here. The orange ones are loaded in the header, the yellow are in the footer, because you might want to keep them that way if you encounter problems. So I'm just going to combine and minify some of these styles here. So you can just come along and select what you want to put into the queue. Turn it on. Put in the queue. You can either put a comma between them, or you can just put them on a new line. So we'll do all these 2016 ones here. Can't believe they still have support for IE7. So you can see there I've got those styles in there. You can add new queues and make as many sort of groups of minified styles and scripts as you like. Save changes. Now if I refresh the screen, just have to make that display again. Now if everything's worked properly, you'll see a little tick next to them. This just means that they've all been combined into one. If we look into the head of the page, it should be there as well. So there you can see that's our Minqueue CSS file that's combined those four into one So that'll cut down on HTTP requests and page loads time quite significantly if you combined all of them. So that's how you use Minqueue.